Hello guys, review smartphone LeEco Pro 3 X722. Start unpacking, open box and look complementation. Device look later. In complementation we have travel adapter, USB Type-C cable and adapter for USB Type-C headphones jack. Okay, and now talk about the phone. Phone made of metal. On the front side we have 5.5-inch display, talk speaker, front camera and sensors. This 3 sensor key. On the left side we have slot for 2 nano SIM card. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside EEC port. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device. The backside camera, fingerprint scanner and double LED. Turn on device, open settings, about phone, Android version 6.0.1, close this, display Full HD, 5.5-inch IPS matrix. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 820. This is quad-core processor, 2+2 cores. First 2 cores work on 1.6 GHz and second powerful cores work 2.2 GHz. GPU Adreno 530. RAM memory 4 GB, Intel memory 32 GB. Look, results CPU test and results GPU test. Close this and open next test, Antutu benchmark. Look, Antutu results, screen test. Device support 10 touches, very good. Close this and open divided game Guitar San Andreas. Default level medium, turn on high, and start game. Game load and works good. We can play on the max graphic level. Okay, close this and open camera. Camera 13 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, and I'll show you photos on this main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.